one of the things that's really powerful about gentle reprocessing is how we keep you in the comfort zone. So the way we do that is by, number one, we make sure that we're using metaphors so that we're not bringing you right back into the trauma, re-traumatizing you, bringing you either into hyperarousal or hypoarousal. Number two, we're also making sure that we're just using small snippets and addressing small snippets at a time of the feelings and the emotions that you had around the trauma. So we're making sure that we're not opening up this big can of worms. We're making sure we're picking one piece out at a time that you can comfortably look at. And that is really important and makes gentle reprocessing really powerful. So let me give you an example of a metaphor that I might use in a gentle reprocessing therapy session. For example, if I ask you to tell me about the emotion that you have around the trauma that you're talking with me about, you might tell me, I feel sadness. And so I'll ask you, where do you feel that in your body? And you might tell me, I feel sadness in my heart. And so the next thing I'm going to ask you is the metaphor. If we're happening to use the metaphor of a river, and I say to you, tell me what the sadness would look like if it were in the river. If it was the river itself, you might tell me that the river is sluggish. You might tell me that the river is murky or muddy. You might tell me that it's flowing very, very slowly. And so in that way, we're having that safeguard for you that allows you to be getting that emotion out, that feeling out, that sensation out. And then I might ask you to send that sadness over the waterfall, never to be seen again. And once it goes over that waterfall, it is no longer yours to own. And in that way, I'm making sure to keep you out of hyperarousal or hypoarousal and keeping you in that sweet spot because I've put that barrier and that space around you and your trauma while we're doing the work together.